Mistplay usually stops opening after an update when the new version conflicts with leftover cache files, incomplete installation data, or outdated system permissions that didn't carry over correctly. By the end of this, you'll know how to get Mistplay opening again, fix post-update crashes, and reset the app so it loads cleanly on your phone. First fix is clearing the app cache. After an update, old cache data can clash with the new version and stop the app from launching. On Android, go to Settings, Open Apps, find Mistplay, and Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or progress. Second is checking for a corrupted update install. Sometimes the update doesn't fully install even if it looks complete. That can cause the app to freeze on launch or close immediately. The fix is to uninstall Mistplay completely and reinstall it from the Play Store so you get a clean version. Third is restarting your phone. After reinstalling or updating, your device may still be holding background processes from the old version. A restart clears those active processes and gives Mistplay a fresh environment to launch properly. Fourth is checking system permissions again after the update. App updates can reset permissions like background activity or storage access. If Mistplay is missing those permissions, it may fail to open. Go into app settings and make sure everything essential is still allowed. Fifth is checking storage space. If your device is nearly full, updated apps can fail to launch because they can't unpack temporary files. Free up some storage and try opening Mistplay again. If the app still won't open, try switching networks. Some updates require a fresh server connection, and unstable Wi-Fi or restricted mobile data can block the launch process. Turn Wi-Fi off and on, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Last option is waiting for a server-side fix. If Mistplay released a buggy update, users may experience widespread launch issues until a patch is pushed out. In that case, reinstalling won't help until the developers fix it. To summarize, Mistplay not opening after an update is usually caused by cache conflicts, incomplete updates, or reset permissions. A clean reinstall and cache reset fix most cases quickly. One practical step: uninstall Mistplay right now, restart your phone, then reinstall it fresh from the Play Store before opening anything else. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that focus on real solutions instead of guesswork.